Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Areeba drawing tutorials. I am drawing a simple scenery of houses, so take out your pencil. I am using a 2HP pencil and a scale here. You can use any pencil you are comfortable with, or you can use a marker or a pointer. So it's a beginner easiest scenery. Let's draw. First of all, I am drawing a house and drawing another adjacent house to that, just similar to that, and like this. Draw with me. My Bangladeshi viewers, my Indonesian viewers, Malaysian viewers, Pakistani viewers and Indian viewers, all of you, thank you so much for being on my video and for learning from me. I'll make sure to make more beautiful drawings and easy drawings for you. Don't forget to comment on my video and stay connected with me. I'll give response to each and everybody's comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So I have drawn the houses just like this. Drawing a straight line at the back of the house and drawing some bushes just like this. Now drawing a zigzag line from the ending point of the one house and then giving it a brink, and now making a boat in the river. Here I am drawing some plants beneath the houses. I'm sure you will find my drawings very easy. So here I have drawn the bushes, the plants, and now drawing a tree over the house. So our drawing is about to be completed. So if you want to color it, you can color it. I have drawn simple just for beginners. So learn from me and don't forget to subscribe. Allah Hafiz.